Okay. So let us take the question of what is Chidabhasa. The Chidabhasa means reflected consciousness. Okay. So it's like if I stand in front of a mirror, my reflection is formed in the mirror. So this reflection represents me. Reflection does not belong to the mirror. Reflection belongs to the original. If I move my head, the reflection will move, right? So the reflection in the mirror represents me. So Chidabhasa is similarly reflection of consciousness in the mind. Whether Chidabhasa will be carried forward in next life, wherever there is a mirror, the reflection will be formed until mirror is destroyed. So as long as their mind is there, reflection will be formed. Chidabhasa will be formed. So the Chidabhasa depends on the reflecting surface. In that sense, Chidabhasa keeps on going as long as keeps on going to lifetimes, as long as the mirror called mind is there. Is that so? Is Chidabhasa there in three states of consciousness: waking, dreaming, and deep sleep? So as long as mind is there, the Chidabhasa or reflective consciousness is there. The mind is the subtle body. Mind is the subtle surface on which reflection can happen. So what happens to the mind in the waking state and dreaming state? Mind becomes manifest. In that sense, Chidabhasa is reflected on the mind in the waking state and dreaming state. What happens to mind in the deep sleep state? Mind in the deep sleep it goes to dormant condition or subtle condition or causal condition. So in that sense, mind is not destroyed. So whether Chidabhasa will be there, we'll say Chidabhasa is there in causal condition, in a dormant condition, in the causal state. Okay. So now this is only for explanation from the waker point of view. In reality, deep sleep is Brahman only. So in Chidabhasa and mind present in deep sleep? For a waker, we'll say yes, it is present in unmanifest form. And in the waking state and dream state, it becomes manifest form until the mind gets destroyed or manonasha happens. Chidabhasa continues. So Chidabhasa to happen, a subtle body is required, right? Subtle body is the mind, and it reflects on the subtle body called intellect. When Chidabhasa is reflected on the intellect, it becomes Chidabhasa plus intellect becomes Jiva. Okay, and Jiva, and next after reflecting on the mind, it reflects on the body also. So it's secondary reflection, primary reflection on the buddhi. Then it reflects on the body. Then everything is seen in the reflection. Everything in the world is seen in the reflection, right? So now the question is, when subtle body in deep sleep goes to a causal state, Karana Sharira. So Karana Sharira, we cannot we, we cannot see whether Chidavasa is there or not. We say Karana Sharira, mind is in causal form, and Chidavasa is also in causal form. We'll say, but that's for Adnani's point of view. From Jnani's point of view, the consciousness alone is there in deep sleep. Brahman alone is there in deep sleep. So the question what uh, what is prana subtler than the Chidavasa? What is prana? Prana is life force. Life force is the consciousness in movement. When consciousness moves, it's called prana or energy or vibration. The consciousness movement is called prana. Now, what this movement does, it makes unmanifest to become manifest, manifest to unmanifest. So that is the movement which happens in prana. And when the consciousness manifests as subtle body, the reflection happens in Chidabhasa. The consciousness, which is Chaitanya, and prana, which is energy, Shakti, projects the world of objects and gets reflected on the subtle body in the form of Chidabhasa. So the role of prana is to make unmanifest manifest and manifest to unmanifest. This you can understand like this. When you go to sleep, your mind becomes dormant. Vasanas become dormant. But prana will be operating. So now the pressure of vasanas builds up. Then prana means consciousness in movement, takes that vasanas and projects the body and the world and gets reflected in the form of Chidabhasa. So will it happen sequentially? These are all simultaneous. For explanation purpose, we are speaking of step by step.